Hello, this is Ryan Hughes from the Pix4D training team. In this video, we will learn how to share a Pix4Dsurvey project to Pix4Dcloud. Pix4Dsurvey's Share to Pix4Dcloud feature makes it easy to share a project or part of one to your Pix4Dcloud account or with others through a web link. The point cloud, vector layers, and volume layers can be uploaded to Pix4Dcloud when logged in with a valid Pix4Dsurvey license. You do not need a valid Pix4Dcloud account to upload a Pix4Dsurvey project to Pix4Dcloud. To learn more about the restrictions of uploading to Pix4Dcloud without a license, please consult the Pix4D knowledge base. Once you have opened a Pix4Dsurvey project, click Share to Cloud from the File menu, or click on the Share button found in the top right corner of the Pix4Dsurvey interface. We will use the Share button in this tutorial. Next, select the outputs you wish to upload to Pix4Dcloud. You can upload point clouds, vector layers, and volume layers. Within each group, it is also possible to select specific elements such as a single point cloud or a single vector layer. We can click the Upload button once we have selected our desired outputs. Once the project is uploaded to Pix4Dcloud, you can create shareable web links by enabling viewing only or editing rights under your data layers. After a successful upload, the Pix4Dcloud project links will be displayed. To enable the links, click on the switch. Once you have copied the desired link, click OK to close the Share to Pix4Dcloud menu. The Share to Pix4Dcloud tool must be opened again in Pix4Dsurvey to retrieve the sharing links. Finally, go to your Pix4Dcloud account and verify that all applicable data has been uploaded and processed on Pix4Dcloud. Thank you for following along in this tutorial video. We hope this video on sharing to Pix4Dcloud from Pix4Dsurvey was helpful.